Hello dear students. In this video, we will see order by command which is used in the select clause or select command. As the name suggests, order by is used for sorting rows of the table. Many times we want to list all the rows of the table in such a way that the rows are sorted, that is rearranged in increasing or decreasing order of some column. As an example, I have taken one table called EMP table. And in the EMP table, we have columns as EMP ID, which is unique, or we can say it is primary key. Then we have EMP name. I have taken some arbitrary names. Then EMP salary. And finally, the department in which the employee works. Here are the department numbers. Now, let us say that we want to list all these rows. We are having 9 rows because employees are numbered from 100 to 108. We want to list all these rows in increasing order of salary. So how do you do that? Is here is the problem statement again. List all employees in increasing order of salary. Okay. So these are the original rows I have shown again. You can see that employee salary is not in the sorted order. So the command would be select star from. Obviously, we want to show all the rows and all the columns. So select star from EMP, that's the name of the table, then order by, and then which is the column on the basis of that you want to sort. Now, clearly observe, we have given order by. This is the clause that we are learning, which can be given after select. So we are ordering all the rows on the basis of EMP salary. Let's see what will be the output. You can see that 101 is the employee. Check here the original rows. 101 was actually the second row, but the salary was the least, 35,000. So in the output of the sorted data, 101 has been shown on top with the name B, of course, and the employee salary is 35,000. You can clearly observe 105 is the employee with maximum salary. So all these salaries are in sorted order. Well, what if we want these salaries to be in decreasing order? Let's say all this, again, I have shown the original table here. Just check, these are the original sequence. This is the original sequence of the rows. But what if we want these salaries in decreasing order? So as you know, 35,000 is the least salary of 101. This should come last. But 90,000 is the maximum salary of 105. This should come on top. You just have to say select star from EMP again, the table, then order by, and then EMP salary, correct? Because we are ordering by employee salary, but just add a word DESC. That's for decreasing. You can write the entire word decreasing, but DESC is nice short form given for specifying that salary should be in decreasing order. Now just imagine you don't write either, nothing here. Just check. You just say order by EMP salary, then auto ordering is increasing, that is ascending. But you can still write, if you want, you can still write ascending as ASC for ascending. But we won't write it, isn't it? Because it is assumed that if you don't write either any ordering over here after this column name, if you don't write any ordering, then it is assumed to be ascending. So you will give this ordering only if you want it explicitly to be in descending order. You write DESC. Otherwise, it will be always ascending. As you can see, output shows 105 is the top person because this person has highest salary and the salaries are really in decreasing order. 101 is the person who earns least. Finally, what if you want to sort on multiple columns? Yes. Check this third problem. We want to list all employees in ascending order of department ID. Now recall department IDs are 1, 2 and 3. So the department IDs, as you see here, should be in sorted order. Sorted order definitely means all the employees of department 1 should be shown first, then all employees from department 2 should be shown next, and so on. And descending order of employee salary. So please try to understand what we are doing is, first the rows must be sorted in ascending order of department, and within that sorted order, we don't want to disturb that sorted order. We want to sort all the employees in descending order of their salaries. So this is sorting on multiple columns. Just check how this will work before we see the command and before we see the output. Now you watch. First of all, we want to sort on ascending order of department. So here is department 1, here is department 1, and one more, this person, department 1. These three rows must be shown on top, definitely, because we are sorting in increasing order of department. But look, within these departments, within this department, department number 1, we want to we want to sort all the employees in descending order of their salaries. So first, this person 100 must be listed because this person has highest salary in this department. Next, this person 106 should be shown in the output because this person has second highest salary. And the last will be 101, who is from department 1 and earns least salary. Just observe, the output confirms it. Here are the three people of department 1. Of course, because we want to sort the employees in increasing order of department, but 60,000, 40,000, and 35,000 is what is the ordering of the salary. Same way, if you take this department number 2, these are the people from department number 2, correct? 4 people from department number 2. Now, all these should be shown next to next, but within them, the person who earns maximum salary should be shown. So I suppose it should be 70,000. This person 102, as you see. Yes, confirm the output. 102 is having highest salary in department number 2. This is in decreasing order of salary now within that department number 2. Same happens with department number 3. By the way, what is the command? Select star from employee, order by. Now you watch. We want to first order by department ID and it should be in ascending. So we have not given any clause like ascending or descending. By default, it will be ascending, isn't it? Then comma, and then the second column, EMP salary. But we want salaries in descending order. So just give list of columns separated by comma. And if you want descending, then you add the word DESC after the column name. Just confirm it, how it works on MySQL. I've already opened the company database. Let's see, show tables. And I have two tables here, department and EMP. Remember this EMP DEPT1 is the view that we created in one of our earlier videos. Let's see what this EMP has. Select star from EMP. So here is ID, name, salary, department ID, city, phone. There are a few more columns in this. Let's try to order this table on the basis of salary. So we'll give select star from EMP, order by EMP salary. Just check, it will be in ascending order. Salaries. And here is the correct ordering with employee ID 102 earning least, whereas 105 earning maximum. So what if I want in descending order? I'll just add the word DESC. So this will be in the descending order of salaries. What if I want to sort on department ID first and within that department on the employee salary? So the command would be select star from EMP order by, first of all by DEPT ID and that to ascending. So I will not give any clause over there. But then the next column is EMP salary, but I want that in descending order. So just check, employees from department number 1 are grouped together or rather ordered together, and within them, within that department, the salaries are in decreasing order. By the way, the output of this select star from EMP, order by, and so on is temporary. If you again see select star from EMP, let's say, you will see the original order. So how do you store that permanently? If you want this ordered output as a permanent table, yes, then you can create a view, isn't it? Just as we saw in the earlier videos, you can check that video where we saw how to create views in SQL. You can just say create view, create view, and then the view name, maybe EMP, sorted EMP, maybe some name I have given to the view as, and then you can say select star from EMP, order by, and then maybe we want to order by employee salary. Now you can see that query is okay and this view has been created. You can check this view as with your usual command as we saw in that video. And the name of the view is sorted EMP. And you can see that employees are sorted. So this has become a permanent source where you can go and check the salaries in increasing order. That's it in this video. Thank you very much.